In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find IDs on a Trello board. If you work with integrations, automations, or documentation, you'll often need a board's ID, and Trello makes it easy to find without any special tools. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This page lists every board you can access. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, and if you belong to multiple workspaces, glance at the workspace filter so you're seeing the right boards. Take a moment to identify the board you want the ID for. Open that board by clicking its card. Once you're inside, wait a second for the board to fully load. The header and menus need to be available before you continue. You'll be working from the board's own menu, so keep your focus near the top of the screen. Look to the top right of the board header for the three-dot icon. This opens the board's quick menu. Click it to reveal several options related to sharing, exporting, and printing. If your window is very narrow, widen it so the menu appears, or check that you're not in a minimized view. The option we want is grouped with share and export actions. From that menu, choose print, export, and share. This opens a panel that centralizes ways to distribute or save information about your board. You don't need to change any settings here. You're just using it as the most direct way to surface the board's link. In the panel, look for the section labeled Link to this board. You'll see a URL that points directly to the board. Within that link is the board's ID. Specifically, it's the short string of letters and numbers that appears right after Trello.com by and before the readable board name. For example, in a link formatted like Trello.com be your ID your board name, the Your ID portion is the board's ID. Click into the field and copy the link, then paste it somewhere safe and select just that short segment if you only need the ID. If you're sharing it with teammates or connecting it to a workflow, verify you copied the exact characters with no spaces. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you can't see the three-dot menu or the print, export, and share option, make sure you have at least view access to the board and try refreshing the page. Interfaces can change over time, but the board link surface usually lives in the same share or export area. Keep IDs in a secure note if you frequently reference them for automations. That's it, simple, reliable, and done right from the board itself.